This video chart presentation of Santonia Energy Inc. It's a TSX listed company trading under ticker STE. See, the stock started a pretty nice climb in February, moving from around $1.15 all the way up near $1.60 highs. Basically trading sideways since that point, but in the last couple weeks it's starting to make slightly higher lows. We want to keep this chart on radar, try and break the resistance point at $1.50, because if it does, there's a good chance it's going to come through and try and make some new highs and break these levels set in March. You can see the MACD's cooled off after making the run, but came right back down, sat right around zero, dropped a bullish cross, and the MACD's still holding over top of zero as his price per share is making a slight climb. This bullish cross indicates a potential trend shift, and holding over top of zero after the bullish cross is indicative of the overall trend trying to remain bullish when you look at it from a longer perspective. So as long as that 12 can stay on top of the 26 EMA and the MACD can hold over top of zero, this chart's still in play. Any break to the downside, a bearish cross and a break through zero, odds are pretty strong this chart's going to fall through the support level down around $1.35 and go into a little bit more of a bearish trend. Slow still gradually making higher lows, holding over top of 50, indicating that bullish momentum is trying to remain in the play. Money flow index, this is really a pretty nice look, holding the upper half of the indicator for about 2 months, signaling that over relative periods people are still paying higher prices for the stock. In the RSIs, the 14 registering right about 54. Again, that's to the bullish side of the indicator, albeit right near the middle, indicating that there's a struggle between the bulls and bears to try and gain control of momentum. But that should be somewhat expected. As I said, stock is trending sideways. So what I'd look for now for key points of support and resistance is a bottom support right there at $1.35. Absolutely must stay intact, or there's not more strong support until down near $1.20, but more than likely back down there near $1.15. That's a key point. I think that's a strong level of support. Now to the upside, I'd be looking right there at $1.50. That's where the candles have basically stuck in a channel. Very difficult time moving through that point. And if they do break through $1.50, especially on an increase in volume, I'd suspect that in the longer term, they have a real solid chance at breaking through $1.60. Now, it doesn't have to be a 1-day or 2-day type of move. What it could mean is a breakthrough $1.50, even if it hits resistance at $1.60 and pulls back. Hold over top of that $1.50, classic TA fashion, let that resistance become support, and if that does and a little consolidation happens, it would support the idea that another potential run at $1.60 might happen. Right now, though, the chart's in a nice holding pattern, but this increase right through there of making higher lows puts this chart on radar for a potentially stronger move. Those are the type of things that I'd be looking for in the STE chart, but as always, it's merely my interpretation. I'm not a financial consultant and strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpennystocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure, and do not base any investment decisions on any material found on the website and/or this video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching, and trade smart.